Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and after this turn off menu appears, you have to hold down your finger on the power off option, and after that it will propose you to reboot to the safe mode. Just tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So if you want to exit this mode, just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.